Today's video is not a boring video. Rather, you will know how you wasted your time in 2025 and how you can take your time in 2026 forward and take your life forward. Today, I will show you through this video. I will talk about 24 things that will be very important for you in 2026 if you listen. Listen. Everyone dreams. But 2025 will be yours on only one condition: if you turn your dreams into action. First thing, write your dream on paper, not in your head. Because writing is the true goal. The goal in mind is just a wish. Secondly, set only 3 goals for 2025. Not 1,000 goals, only 3, but those 3 will change you. Thirdly, even for 30 minutes every day, start working. Today's small beginning creates big success next year. Fourth thing, drop the excuses. No time? Tired? No opportunity? These are just flowery words. Those who work change the new year. Now remember one thing. You dream alone, but everyone sees success. So in 2025, you have to do something like this, which will silently change you, and the result will be clearly visible to everyone. Fifth thing, challenge yourself to improve 1% every day. Very small things. Read 5 more minutes today. Take 1 page of notes today. Practice your skills for 10 minutes today. Small improvements add up to big results. Sixth thing, compare yourself, not others. Don't be disappointed by someone's success. They are walking on their way. You are on your way. Trust your own speed. Seventh thing, create a daily routine. Routine doesn't have to be difficult. Routine means a straight path. If the daily path is right, then the destination of the year will also be correct. Eighth thing, phone, social media. Both of these are time consuming. If used for less than 1 hour, you will get 30 extra hours a month. These 30 hours will move you forward. Ninth thing, there is no right time to start. I'll do it tomorrow. This is what I said. The biggest enemy of your dreams. The work that begins today, its results change tomorrow. 10th thing, use fear. What you are afraid to do, that will make you grow. Fear means you are going to do something new. This is a good sign, not a bad one. 11th thing, accept your mistakes. Mistakes don't mean stopping. Mistakes mean learning and starting over. Those who learn from mistakes, they will leap forward in 2025. 12th word, reward yourself. Did you read for 30 minutes today? Did you finish any work today? Give yourself a small reward. It will increase your mental energy and maintain interest in work. Number 13, don't break the promise you made to yourself. The world may want to stop you, but if you don't stop yourself, but no one can fail you. Number 14, keep your room, your desk, everything clean. A messy place makes your mind messy too. A clean environment means clean thoughts, and clear thinking makes work go faster. Number 15, reduce the company of people who hold you back. The people around you set your pace. Negative people will stop you. Positive people will push you forward. Number 16, take care of your health. To be successful, it is mandatory to stay healthy. Walk for 10 minutes every day, eat a variety of foods, and sleep for at least 6 hours. If you are not feeling well, even dreams cannot move forward. Word number 17, make learning a daily habit. Learn something new every day. 1 word, 1 piece of information, 1 skill. Small lessons accumulate. It will take you to another level in 2025. Number 18, don't lose focus. Wherever the mind goes, success will also run in that direction. So read your goal at least once every day. The mind will return to the path. Word number 19, be patient. When sowing seeds, trees don't grow overnight. Likewise, your hard work it will bear fruit at the right time. But there is only one condition: it won't stop. Word number 20. Remind yourself every day why you started. Because reason is your strength. When you feel tired, the day you feel like you can't, your reason will make you stand again. Word number 21. Never underestimate small progress. Today, 1 page, 5 minutes today, a small task today. Together, these will create the staircase to your future. Number 22. Learn by listening and learn by seeing. Practice both. Those who have grown up, they didn't just talk. They learned, saw, got it. The more you learn in 2025, the further it goes. Word number 23. Give yourself time. Mental rest is also part of the job. Close your eyes for 10 minutes every day. Spend some time with yourself. It clears your mind and keeps your focus sharp. Word number 24. Stop wasting time. If you still come in 2025, in the words of unnecessary people, invariant scrolling waste time, then dreams will only remain in your head. If you respect time, time will give you results. Word number 25. Remember, you can do it because you've been through a lot of hard times before. You have that power inside you which makes 2025 for you. It can be a year of possibilities. So now, the decision is yours. Will stop dreaming or will you start walking towards that dream? 2025 is not waiting for you. The days will pass, the months will pass. But if you go to work today, then 2025 will change you. Remember, success knocks on their door, those who make a little progress every day. May your dreams be big, may your path be clear, and may your hard work be successful. Your identity. Not a dream. Work is what will set you apart in 2025. This is your year. Now stand up and start.